Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Andito tayo ngayon sa Molino, Cavite. Meron ulit tayong next love story na sana kapulutan natin ng inspirasyon. Kasama natin ngayon, Alan and Pat! Bumati muna kayo sa ating mga viewers. That's your camera.
Hello. Good day.
Hello, hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Welcome to IWAP! How long have you been married?
We just turned 5 years last September.
5 years! Hindi pa pwedeng maghiwalay, no?
Wala naman
Bago pa
balak.
lang.
Walang balak.
Yes.
Paano kayo nagkakilala?
Hihintay ko na lang siguro kung uuwi pa sa bahay.
Pero will you forgive her? Kung nangyari man yan?
Based on my personality, mukhang hindi.
Hindi. No second chances.
You can always forgive, but you can never forget. Kasi I have also a saying na sabi nga nila, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. So, hindi ka naman magiging victim kung hindi ka rin magpapa-victim. Nasa sa'yo. Again, it's every person's prerogative and prinsipyo, di ba? Pero
sa'yo,
for
yun
me,
yun sa'yo.
Yun sa akin. So, sa kanya, I think it's the same. It's one thing na very aligned kami sa absolutes namin.
Ikaw din, Pat? Ganun din? Kung nahuli mo siya na meron na siyang having an affair or nag-cheat siya,
Yes.
ganun din ang gagawin mo?
For me.
Mhm.
But let's say, for example, if I'll be giving an advice to other people, it would be different. Kasi iba-iba kami ng case eh.
That works for you kasi?
Yes.
Okay.
So, yeah. So, kung baga before kasi, outside our relationship, close-minded ako na, pag may nag-cheat or may third party, meron is agad na, ano tawag dito, ito na yung may cause or something. Pero, if feel parang dig deep into the cause of it or the yung relationship, minsan kasi magbabago na yung mindset mo in terms of those people. Parang ganon, parang nag-iiba yung mindset mo eh. Kapag dami mo na-encounter din na tao, you tend not to judge then also na, bakit this person parang had this affair. Pero, kumbaga, dun sa married life pala niya, hindi sila sobrang happy. Yung mga ganon. So, it is case-to-case basis. But for us, that's actually how it was gonna work.
22:4, humility is the fear of the Lord.
Humility is the fear of the Lord. Why? Bakit yun ang favorite mo?
Always be humble, stay grounded. Parang in terms of business and in work, keep your head down, keep grinding. Parang it's what you do in the dark that puts you on the light.
Okay.
Diba? Parang just work in the dark, then when God sees you, He will put the light on you.
And you can never go wrong with being humble.
Yes.
Okay. Pat, what is your favorite Bible verse
I need that